In this lecture of object-oriented programming with C++, today we are going to discuss about a very important topic of object-oriented concept, that is friend function. So basically it is a function or it is a non-member function that has access permission to the private members of a class. So we know that outside function or outside class function are not able to access our private data members, but friend function has the facility to access permission to the private members of a class also. So one point to remember is that it is a non-member function and has access permission to the private members of the class. And this friend function can be declared uh, by using the keyword friend. So basically friend is a keyword. So by using this friend keyword, we can make a non-member function as friend of a class. This can be done by declaring non-member function friend to the class whose private data is to be accessed. And this friend keyword need to be prefixed or it is preceded by the non-member function. And friend function can be defined elsewhere in the program like normal C++ function. And the declaration is inside the class and the definition should be outside the class. So in the syntax of this friend function, you can see here we have taken a class and here the class name we need to mention, and within the class declaration, in private we may take some data members, in public we may take some member function, and here the friend function declaration is there. So friend is a keyword, then void is the return type here, display is the function name. So void display is a friend function, or this particular non-member function is friend to this particular class. And inside the parenthesis or inside the argument list of the friend function, the class type argument basically it accept, class type argument it will accept, then semicolon, that is statement terminator. So here friend function declaration is done. Now class is closed, and here inside the function definition of the friend function, it is defined normally like other C++ function, like void display, then the argument list we need to specify, then function body. So function definition here we can see that it is neither using the keyword friend nor it is using the scope resolution operator. Though it is defined outside the class, it is not using scope resolution operator, and also it is not using the keyword friend here. So we can also mark one point that it has the class as a argument, it has object as function argument. So during the main function we can pass the object as a argument, and this friend function has one limitation, or we can say one disadvantage is that this use of friend function is rarely done because it violates data encapsulation and data hiding properties of class. So we know that basically to protect our private data members, we use data encapsulation, data hiding properties, but friend function violates these properties and it can access this private member also, though it is a non-member function. So let's see one example how using friend function we can execute a program. So in this particular example, this example is for C++ program to find the average of two number using friend function. So basically we will be able to see how using the friend function, or how using a non-member function using friend to a class we can execute a program. That thing we will analyze. And here in the class declaration we have taken a class average class, avg is the class name here. Inside the class data member we have taken abc are the data member, and these data member are private data member we have taken, and public function we have taken member function, void get is the public member function, and one friend function we have taken here. Void display is one function, one non-member function which is the friend to this class AVG. So the syntax is like this: friend space, return type is void here, space, function name is display. Inside the parenthesis we need to mention the class type, okay, and the class type is AVG here. Then semicolon or close the function call. Now close the class, and outside the class definition we need to write down the definition for our friend function, and here we will not mention any keyword friend or not use any scope resolution operator to define the display function which is a friend function. So we know that friend function will take class type or object as a argument. So here class type AVG is mentioned, AVG space S, S is the object for AVG class here. Whatever the variable we will receive, that can be accessed using this object S. So let's move towards the main function here. So in main function we have created the object P here for the class average. So P dot get function, so get function is called. As soon as the get function is called, value for A and B are initialized, A equal to 15 and B equal to 21. Basically get function here we have used for initialization of the two private data member A and B. Now after executing get function, display will be called. Another thing here we want to notice that friend function can be called without object. Without object we can call the friend function. So directly we will call the function name here, display is the friend function name. Inside the function parenthesis we need to pass the object. We know that friend function will take object as a function argument, so it will take object P as the argument inside it. So as soon as this function display is called, it will execute this function definition. So P content will be copied to S object. So S dot C, C is also a private data member. S dot C equal to S dot A plus S dot E divided by 2. So here basically we are calculating the average. So S dot A value, S dot A is what? The value we have get through our user friend function. So 15 plus 21 divided by 2, that is 36 divided by 2, that is 18 we will get. So here this object S will be helpful to access the data member, private data member of the class AVG, and it will display the output like average of two number is 18. So here one or two things we need to remember. First one, friend function declaration is inside the class. It will take class type argument or object type argument. The function definition will not contain friend keyword, and it will not use scope resolution operator, and also it will contain the class type as argument. So these are some of the important points and one simple explanation regarding friend function. Thank you.